Take exit 300.
Oh, okay. We're live. Here we are. Biggs Junction. We got pinky action back there. We made it. Okay, how many deep are we? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. I like it. Okay. Canada's right over there.
Yeah. We're already told that it's
Outcasts.
Car's got warranty and it's stock his own stock. Go fucking fix it.
Hey, thank you, sir.
I don't know. Where's your fucking channel, man? Get the part over.
Okay, we're first in.
We made it.
We made it. Operation
These two made it to Canada.
Operation Border Hopper complete.